That's it. Mabel, you and me are going to find the jerk who did this and get back that head. And we'll see who's adorable.
Aw, you sneeze like a kitten.
It's awesome.
Lost your powers.
Sorry.
Video files. Yeah, we gotta find some answers for this.
Did someone just sneeze? Who did that? Who among you sprayed my office with 1,000,000 microscopic killers? I can already feel my throat closing up. You, Kira? You never get sick. That's the best part about you.
That's the best part.
If I get sick,
I'm gonna go.
This is what happens when you lick your spilled latte off the steering wheel. She did that. She's gross.
Lois, you okay?
Yeah, it's just my allergies. They've been awful. I can't figure out what it is.
What? Well, then where am I supposed to sleep?
Hey,
I'm gonna go take a shower so I can blow my nose into my hands. Damn it! I hate this house.
Is it possible?
Isn't there some mistake?
I'll change it. The pollen. It's still circulating. I've got this. Sneezing gas. Ow.
Okay, you know what? If it's that important to you, stay with the stuffing.
I hope you like your nostrils briskly seasoned. Shaker, shaker, shaker. That should do it.
No, please, that tired old gag. I need to borrow the topper, old boy.
Oh, a bake-off, is it?
Shake well and serve. Frightening face. Wow, Kitty, it's...
Tono! Huh?
Could you whisper to her to stop making me sneeze? This is so dignified. There, all stopped up. What's all that?
Lizzie?
Hanging all over the place. Who knew a stick could be so entertaining?
And 10 times the allergies. Achoo! 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 Over there. Achoo! This way. Achoo! Nope. Achoo! Getting close. Way to go, Gretch. Achoo! In there. Your arm. Achoo! Ah, we're trapped! Achoo!
Puoi dirmi quale altra complicata idiozia hai in mente, furbacchione?
Qualcosa di molto semplice. Basterà che tu faccia uno starnuto e quel piccolo nodo lassù si scioglierà e tu precipiterai direttamente in un unico volo in quel morbido fango.
Io non starnutirò, invece.
Neanche con questo bel pepe nero, eh? Ti auguro un buon tuffo, Penelope Pistop.
Non devo sternutire! Non devo! Oh, non ce la faccio a trattenerlo, non ce la faccio!
Sorry.